Here I attached a clear film to protect the screen, so it's obviously scratch proof silicone, but you can remove it and apply a new one. You can order them online. I will gonna remove and show everything how this watch is looking. At the back is also clear film to protect this glass. And now I will gonna explain how to properly adjust this watch. First of all, when the watch is stop, his charge is taken approximately 2.5–3 days. Yeah, full charge of the watch. If you put watch on table and it's stopped, adjust only this way how I will gonna show you. First of all, crown you put to the last position, to the end. Yeah, that's the button for the date. I have exactly the same watch. Today is 26. Yeah, so if you wanna put date 26, you need to put date 25. So here it is, I'm showing 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's the dial of the month. Yeah, you're changing to the first or which month is at this time, and that's the button for day of the week. I need to get a pin. So today is Thursday. Friday. Yeah, so now is showing. So you put today is Friday, so you need to put Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday, and then you start in adjusting. Only clockwise. Don't put counterclockwise. Never. Don't put watch never back. Never, cause it can cause damage to complications. So you are going. First circle, and he went out to 26 date. Yeah, that's 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, and now it's 5 to 1. And then you put the crown back and winding this watch at least 40 times for a charge. And you see, after 10th spin, your watch is already start working. And when it start working, you winding 40 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that going. Count up to 60 times. Don't be afraid to overwind it. This is automatic watch. And don't have issue with the spring what is overwinding. And this charge is enough for 2 to 3 days constantly wearing on your hand. That's it. And after, when you're finishing winding, you pressing the crown. Yeah, you see it's pressing. And screwing on. That's a screw on crown. Don't put too tight. That's it. And now you can fully wear it, and it will gonna go for you all the time. Here is a pendulum, what is working, what is additionally charging your watch. So here it is, condition. Condition is exactly the same like mine, spotless condition. Here you are. Enjoy your new purchase.